Good morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss about sexual reproduction in organisms. In that, in plants, especially how sexual reproduction is occurs in plants. Generally in a plants, in angiosperms, which is flowering plants, two types of plants is there. Some are bisexual flowers or bisexual plants, and some are unisexual flowers. Unisexual flowers. In angiosperms are which are flowering plants, and we are observed two types of flowers. One is bisexual. Bi means two. In that flower, in one flower, male and female reproductive system is consist male and female reproductive system in one flower. That is we can call bisexual flower. Example of bisexual flower is what? Hibiscus. And good example, one more example is what? Datura stromanium. Focus here. Datura stromanium. Datura stromanium. These are the examples of bisexual, good examples of bisexual flowers. So many flowers are bisexual only. Most of the flowers are bisexual only. That means bi means two. Male and female reproductive system consist in one flower is called bisexual flower. In some plants and some flowers, unisexual flowers is there. Which are called unisexual? Unisexual means maybe in that flower male or female, not both. Male or female reproductive system is consist in one flower. That is we can call unisexual flower. Unisexual flower is example is papaya, bottle gourd, bitter gourd. So many examples of what? Some of the examples of unisexual flowers. Now we are going to discuss about monoecious plants. Monoecious plants. These monoecious plants, especially for what is monoecious plants? Monoecious plants, these are different. Bisexual, unisexual. Bisexual means in one flower both male and female reproductive system. Unisexual, only male or female reproductive system. In monoecious plant, in that plant some flowers are female flowers, some flowers are male flowers. Okay. Male and female flowers are consist in one plant. Try to understand the difference between bisexual and monoecious plants. The monoecious plant only in one plant. In one plant we are observed male flowers and female flowers. In bisexual, in one flower male reproductive system and female reproductive system consist in one flower. But here this is different. Try to observe the difference between bisexual and monoecious. In monoecious plant, in one plant, for example, oak plants, oak, corn, pine, beech. These are the example. In these plants, we are observed some separate. I am using the separate male flowers, separate female flowers is there. Both flowers are different types of flowers consist in one plant. To understand the difference between, so that this is you can call monoecious plants. Example is oak plants. Oak is the example of what? Monoecious. And also pine, corn, and also birch. These are the examples of monoecious.